Good morning and welcome you all my dear students in online classes. It's Anju ma'am here. So today I am going to start new chapter, The Enemy. This is chapter 4 of your book Vistas. This is written by Pearl S. Buck, B-U-C-K. Brick is given, but the correct is Pearl S. Buck. So dear students, before starting this chapter, I am giving you introduction of this chapter. The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck deals with a situation in which human considerations overpower narrow considerations of national duty. It tells about how people can help enemies on human grounds. To hate our enemy is natural and justifiable, especially during the wartime. This story beautifully depicts how a human being rises over his prejudices to help a wounded enemy. Before you read, see the lines. It is the time of the World War. An American prisoner of war, जिसको हम POW भी कहते हैं, POW prisoner of war, he was an American, is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorsteps of a Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? So I am going to start. See the first stanza. Dr. Sadohoki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast where as a little boy he had often played. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pines. As a boy, Sado had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet, as he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas. Never had he failed to say to the little brave boy at his side, "Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan." So dear students, in this paragraph, description is given about Dr. Sadao or Sado we can say. So Dr. Sadao Hoki was a famous Japanese surgeon and scientist. डॉक्टर सदाओ होकी कौन था? वो एक फेमस सर्जन था, जापानीज सर्जन एंड साइंटिस्ट. So in this para, this is given that Dr. Sadao Hoki, his father was very strict and his father's main concern about his study, and he was very much concerned. Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on a Japanese coast. डॉक्टर सदाओ होकी का हाउस जो है एक जापानीज कोस्ट में बना था. Where he had spent his childhood, it was set upon rocks above a narrow beach, surrounded by pine trees. And Sadao's father was very serious. He was a traditional man. His chief concern was about his career, about his studies. He never joked or played with him. He had a deep concern for his son's education. See the lines. And father didn't crack joke with him when he was a child. As a little brave boy, his father used to show and said, "Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan." So his father, he wanted to see him as a famous surgeon, a very successful person in his life. "Where shall we step from them?" Sadao had asked seriously. "Who knows?" his father had answered. "Who can limit our future?" हमारे फ्यूचर को कोई नहीं बांध सका है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन वॉट वी मेक इट. वो डिपेंड करता है कि हम अपने भविष्य को कैसे बनाते हैं, क्योंकि अपने भविष्य के निर्माता हम स्वयं हैं. वी आर द क्रिएटर ऑफ आवर फ्यूचर. So Sadao had taken this into his mind. He did everything his father said. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him. Who was his only son? Dr. Sadao Hoki was his only son. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. Sadao जानते थे कि उसकी एजुकेशन उसके फादर की का मेन कंसर्न था. फॉर दिस रीज़न ही हैड बीन सेंट एट 22 टू अमेरिका व्हेन डॉक्टर सदाओ होकी वॉज 22 ईयर्स ओल्ड. जब सदाओ 22 ईयर्स के हुए, देन हिज फादर सेंट हिम टू अमेरिका टू लर्न ऑल दैट कुड बी लर्न ऑफ सर्जरी एंड मेडिसिन. उसको सर्जरी मेडिसिन्स की ट्रेनिंग के लिए उन्होंने अमेरिका भेज दिया था. ही हैड कम बैक एट 30, और जब वो 30 ईयर्स के हुए हैं तो वो अमेरिका से वापस जापान आए हैं. बिफोर हिज फादर डाइड, ही हैड सीन सदाओ बिकम फेमस नॉट ओनली एज ए सर्जन बट एज ए साइंटिस्ट. So Dr. Sadao Hoki, he had fulfilled the dream of his father, because his father wanted to see him as a reputed surgeon when he returned from America. So he was not only a surgeon but as a scientist also, because he was perfecting a discovery which would render bones entirely clean. एक डिस्कवरी परफॉर्म कर रहे थे जिसमें किसी भी तरह का बोन, किसी तरह का घाव, उसको एंटायरली कम्प्लीटली क्लीन करना. सो ही गॉट परफेक्शन. ही हैड नॉट बीन सेंट अब्रॉड विद द ट्रूप्स बिकॉज इट वॉज द वॉर टाइम व्हेन द ट्रूप मीन्स a group of soldiers. So when the troop was sent abroad, so Dr. Sadao was not sent with this troop. He knew there was some little danger that the old general, he was suffering, and he knew very well that no one was like Dr. Sadao. He had great trust on him, on his ability, and he needed an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically. For this possibility, Sadao was being kept in Japan. So dear students, from this para, I am going to discuss a few questions. First question can be given, who was Dr. Sadao? Dr. Sadao कौन थे? Dr. Sadao was a famous Japanese surgeon and scientist. एक famous surgeon थे और scientist भी. He completed his study of medicine in America. He lived in a house which was built on the Japanese coast. House was surrounded by pine trees. And next question can be asked, what was his father's chief concern? उनके फादर का चीफ कंसर्न क्या था? दैट इज गिवन इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. हिज फादर्स चीफ कंसर्न was that he wanted him to study abroad. so that he could serve Japan for its growth. Dr. Sadao's education was his chief concern. डॉक्टर सदाओ की एजुकेशन उनका चीफ कंसर्न था. फॉर दिस रीज़न ही हैड बीन सेंट टू अमेरिका, और इसीलिए उनको अमेरिका भेजा गया था. Sadao was sent to America to study surgery and medicine. So dear students, do you think that he had fulfilled his father's dream? Yes. What his father wished, Dr. Sadao had fulfilled his dream, because he was totally focused towards his study and towards his goal. And when he returned from America, so he became a reputed surgeon as well as a scientist. He got perfection in clearing wound completely. So you have to pay attention on the next stanza. Yes. Next question can be asked, why was Dr. Sadao not sent abroad along with the troops? ट्रूप के साथ डॉक्टर सदाओ को क्यों नहीं भेजा गया? सी द लास्ट लाइन्स ऑफ द स्टेंजा विच आई एम शोइंग यू. डॉक्टर सदाओ वॉज नॉट सेंट along with the troop. The general considered Dr. Sadao an expert surgeon. जनरल था जनरल टाकीमा. This name is not given till now. So General Takima, old general, he had full faith on Dr. Sadao. उसको डॉक्टर सदाओ पे पूरा भरोसा था. General considered Dr. Sadao indispensable. He felt that his life could be saved only by him. देयर वॉज रिस्क ऑफ हिस लाइफ, उसके जीवन को खतरा था. तो उसको लगा कि उसको डॉक्टर सदाओ के अलावा कोई नहीं बचा सकता. ही फेल्ट दैट हिस लाइफ कुड बी सेव्ड ओनली बाय हिम, एज ही वॉज वेरी स्किल्ड पर्सन, स्किल्ड सर्जन. ही ऑल्सो डिड नॉट ट्रस्ट एनी वन एक्सेप्ट डॉक्टर सदाओ. सो डॉक्टर सदाओ वॉज नॉट सेंट विद ट्रूप्स. नेशनल लॉयल्टी है, और यहाँ पे जो है जनरल ने उसको अपने स्वार्थ के लिए ट्रूप के साथ नहीं भेजा. ही वॉज सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. सो नाउ पे अटेंशन. नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said, and now he became a reputed surgeon. Okay, I am moving ahead. See, clouds were rising from the ocean now. Unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Sadao watched mist-hid outlines of a little island near the shore, then come creeping up, beach below the house, wraithing around the pines. In a few minutes, fog would be wrapped about the house too. Then he would go into the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting for him with the two children. So dear student, the description is given when Dr. Sadao returned from America. Now he was well settled with his family. He was a reputed prestigious surgeon as well as scientist. He, his wife and his two kids, they were living happily. Because his main purpose was to set just to make his career. So now he was happily living with his family, two children and his wife Hannah. At this moment, door opened. She looked out, dark blue woolen hosiery over her kimono. This is Japanese dress. She was wearing long gown, and she came to him affectionately, put her arm through his, As he stood, smiled, said nothing. He had met Hannah in America. In this part, description is given that Sadao met Hannah in America. So question can be asked, where, when and how did Dr. Sadao meet Hannah? So in this paragraph, answer can be given. Where, when and how did Dr. Sadao meet Hannah? Dr. Sadao met Hannah by chance at an American professor's house. When Dr. Sadao went to America to learn surgery and medicine, then he met a girl, her name was Hannah. She was a Japanese. By chance at an American professor's house, प्रोफेसर हार्ले, प्रोफेसर का नाम था प्रोफेसर हार्ले, उनके घर में उसकी डॉक्टर सदाओ की हाना से मुलाकात होती है. बट ही वॉज नॉट इन हरी टू मैरी हर. बहुत जल्दीबाजी में उन्होंने उसके साथ कोई अपने जीवन में फ़ैसला नहीं लिया. ही वॉज नॉट इन हरी टू मैरी. Harley and his wife had been kind people. They held a party at their home for their new foreign students, and Hannah was a new student. So he took decision wisely. He married to Hannah after the consent of his father, and the marriage was solemnized in a pure Japanese way. If Hannah didn't belong to his race, if she was not a Japanese, then marriage could not be possible because his father was a traditional. So you have to see the lines. He had met Hannah in America. Dr. Sadao, he refers to Dr. Sadao. डॉक्टर सदाओ की मुलाकात हाना से अमेरिका में हुई, बट ही हैड वेटेड टू फॉल इन लव विद हर until he was sure she was Japanese. So he didn't take decision in hurry. His father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her race. So father was orthodox, he was traditional. अगर वो जापानीज़ नहीं होती, किसी और कास्ट की होती, तो फादर उसको एज डॉटर इन लॉ कभी भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. सो ही वंडर्ड ऑफ इन होम ही वुड हैव मैरिड इफ़ ही हैड नॉट मेट हाना. बाई वॉट लक ही हैड फाउंड हर इन द मोस्ट कैजुअल वे, बाई चांस, लिटरली, एट एन अमेरिकन प्रोफेसर्स हाउस. प्रोफेसर एंड हिज वाइफ हैड बीन काइंड पीपल. प्रोफेसर और उसकी वाइफ बहुत काइंड पीपल थे. एंशियस टू डू समथिंग फॉर देयर फ्यू फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स. सो वंस दे हैड ए पार्टी एट देयर होम फॉर देयर न्यू फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स. And the students, though bold, had accepted this kindness. Sadao had often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house that night. The rooms were so small, the food so bad, the professor's wife so voluble, so talkative, but he had gone, and there he had found Hannah. When he met in party, when he went in party, then he met Hannah. A new student had left he would love. Then he realized that it was the love at first sight. Love her if it were at all possible. So dear students, I have discussed 4 questions with you in this part. First, who was Dr. Sadao? As I told you, Dr. Sadao Hoki was a famous Japanese surgeon and scientist. He completed his study of medicine in America. He lived in a house which was built on the Japanese coast. The house was surrounded by pine trees. Next question, I have discussed with you what was chief concern of his father. So Dr. Sadau's father was very much concerned about his study, about his career. He wanted that he must be a well-known surgeon so that he could serve Japan for its growth. Dr. Sadau's education was his chief concern. So Sadao was sent to America to study surgery and medicine. Next question I have discussed with you. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent abroad along with troops? जब सेना की टुकड़ी को, क्योंकि वॉर का टाइम चल रहा है, जापान से बाहर भेजा गया था, तो उसके साथ डॉक्टर सदाओ को नहीं भेजा गया, जबकि भेजा जाना चाहिए था. सो व्हाट कुड बी द रीज़न? दिस इज गिवन इन दिस स्टेंजा. कैन सी डॉक्टर सदाओ was not sent abroad along with the troops. The general considered Dr. Sadao indispensable. He felt that his life could be saved only by him, as he was very skilled person, skilled surgeon. He also did not trust anyone except Dr. Sadao. So Dr. Sadao was not sent with the troops. I hope you can understand well, and just keep watching all parts of the video. It will be continue in my next part. If any problem, you can discuss with me and mention your comments, compliments in the comment box. Thank you.
चार्जर होता